So it is Saturday, December 10th, and for sneakerheads, you know what that means. Space Jam Saturday. I'm over here with some of my boys at the McDonald's chilling out right now. About to, if you want to. It's my boy Carter. I'm here with my boy Carter. Got my other boy Vic here, the plug. But I'm gonna do a review on the shoe shortly. We just gotta make our runs. About to eat this food, and I'll be back. Got Carter with me. Got my boy Vic with me. Plug. Good. Enjoying some good ass McDonald's at like 8 in the morning. It's fresh. Space Jam Saturday. That's what we calling this. Space Jam Saturday. Every time they release a shoe, they always gotta do something slightly different to make it different from the other. Because the other Space Jam didn't have 45 on the back. Back in the day, they had the 23 on the back.
I was saying that's a player one.
Why I see a picture the other day with Blake Griffin in the Space Jam uniform.
Like I seen the commercial.
I hope he in the Space Jam instead of LeBron.
I think he is. Oh, like how Jordan had Barkley, Ewing, and
Sean Bradley.
Yeah, how did Sean Bradley get in Space Jam? Anybody know? Can you comment below? Because I would like to know how he made that movie. He's getting dunked on a lot.
Yeah.
So I'm here with the plug.
I know what it is, man. I'll let your boy.
Tell him we don't wait in lines.
I don't wait in line, man. What's a rapper?
Right?
Never had, never will. But I mean, you know what? I take that back because maybe one day I will.
December 10th, 2016. Hope everybody's having a great, blessed day out there, doing what they got to do to get it on. And if you're out there shopping, be safe, be smart, you know. You feel me? And be blessed. Today on Space Jam Saturday, we ain't taking no L's. People be like, you take 2 L's and make it to a W, but we ain't taking no L's. But this is one of my plugs right here, and I get a lot of my shoes from him too, so I'm covered, but you gotta get yourself covered. What you got? What kind of connects you got? I have maybe 2 shoe plugs that I go to besides myself to get my shoes, but one thing I do need is a plug for some Yeezys and Adidas, NMDs, and Ultra Boost. So definitely a sign of the times, because don't nobody care about no NMDs or boosts like that, and the Yeezys is over. Space Jam Saturday, we not taking L's and we giving out W's. Space Jam 11, you dig? How you feeling today, my dude?
Shit, man, you know me, man. I'm feeling lovely. Feeling like Jordan coming back with the 4-5. You feel me? You know what I'm saying?
Space Jam Saturday, as I like to call it, right?
Man, you see it, man. You can see some of them in the back seat. That's a little bit of taste, you know what I'm saying?
A little something, something. You know?
I already sold like 4-5 pairs already. You know what I'm saying? About to go pick up another couple pairs, right. You know what I mean? Like it ain't shit.
I mean, he's a plug, he does this, you feel me?
All my product A1.
I thought I'd add this into my vlog because it's part of something that I enjoy too. And these Space Jam 11s have been something that, you know, your boy been on for a minute. I mean, they've been hyped up the whole year.
Somebody wanted them for 400, but this nigga's playing. I don't got time to wait for him.
Watch this shit.
Yeah, I'll still be out here because I'm about to run to the west side of the valley real quick, go try to pick up those other pairs and shit.
Back here at another location in this parking lot traffic that's crazy like a mug, you know. So give me your honest opinion. What do you guys feel? How do you feel when you see one person have multiple pair, knowing they only have 2 feet? This is pretty dope, the inside of the box, how it's got the little Space Jam Galaxy thing look to it. So you go ahead and take this off. And you got the shoe. You got the 45 on the inside paper. I think these are dope. I like this whole little setup right here. And there it is. Woo. Crispy. Crispy. Look at that. The stitching is excellent. It's clean, bruh. Look at the glossy bottom. You can't go wrong with these. You cannot go wrong with these, bruh. I see why there's such a craze for them. And you got the 45 on the back. This is like, I mean, they say the best for last. That's what they say, right? Look at that. Yeah. These are definitely a winner. Not a chicken dinner. There's one of them, and there's the second pair. Yeah, I'm pulling around right now. I'm over here towards the back of the parking lot. I'll pull over to where you're at right now. All right, for sure. Look at these. Look at these. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Would you do it if you're not doing it now? Would you do it if you could? When you do it, do you feel bad at all? Like if you're somebody who gets like about this many pair at one time or get more than that, do you feel at all slighted about the fact that you're dominating competition and it makes it harder for people to get pair? What do you guys think about the resale situation? I mean, it's a way to make a living. It's a clean way to make a living. They're not robbing and stealing from people. They're actually paying for the product. They're just paying for something that's a hot commodity and making a little change off it. Everybody needs to make some money some way, right?
I try to spread the love to everybody. I just want my little change on top. That's all it is.
Right. So, I mean, I don't know. But then some people say, well, it's not fair to people who don't have the ability to do it. And what about kids? It's Christmas time. You know, sometimes these resellers, you know, they're giving it to people who are going to want something for Christmas and get something for Christmas. So it's not necessarily a bad thing at all. You know, it's just they might have to pay a little bit more extra for it. But that's how it is in this world nowadays. You can't get what you want for cheap and you know, you have to pay a little bit to get what you want. And the more you want it, the more it's probably going to be. It's just kind of how it is. Especially, like I said before, especially out here in California, especially out here in the Valley. Things are gonna be a little pricey. It's just how it goes.
My love for the kicks, man. You know, I love Jordan. Even though Magic Johnson's the best player to ever play in the NBA, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Just let me get that clear right now.
Okay.
I love the kicks. My favorite Jordans period is the 6s. Jordan 6s, you know what I'm saying? But
yeah, them 6s is
Space Jams is joints, man.
Space Jam Saturday.
I try to spread the love to everybody. I just want my little change on top. That's all it is.
Right.
I'm not greedy.
Yeah, man, and it's a service, bro. Nothing for free.
You know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta wait in line.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
No line waiting. You gonna check out. You ain't gotta worry about that check out the cart in the cart shit online.
And hoping it gets in there when you click check out.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Right. Hoping.
You pay me my koalas, you gonna get your shoes, man. That's all I be happy. Man, I even got a couple left over, flu games left over.
Yep.
A couple French blues left over.
Yep.
And hoodoo, you see my back seat, man?
Right. Right.
You know what I'm saying? It's about 15, 16, 17 pairs in the back right now.
Yeah.
After I already dumped off like 5 or 6.